Threaded Treasures Art presents. Vibrant hummingbirds weave through lush orchid blooms in seamless harmony. Every brushstroke captures the shimmer of iridescent feathers. Greeting cards and stationery adorned with tropical bird elegance. Hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss a new collection. Coral and teal tones dance across this seamless tile design. A kitchen apron blooming with tropical artistry. Pure tropical magic. Deep purple plumage set against delicate pink orchid petals. Jewel-toned hummingbirds in endless repeating splendor. Warm amber light illuminates ruby-throated beauty. Matching lamps cast a tropical glow across any room. Soft watercolor washes blend with detailed featherwork. Sun-kissed towels draped beside turquoise waters. Crafted for creators. Each notebook becomes a work of botanical art. Bold orchid patterns unfurl beneath stormy skies. Your phone wrapped in orchid paradise. Botanical wallpaper that brings the rainforest indoors. 9 unique patterns for endless creative possibilities. Grab yours now. Link in bio.